by this point, in 1953, so many people had heard about Beckett and had heard about this play. The play had actually been published. This is a fairly typical practice at the time where playwrights would publish plays and then they'd have a production. Whereas today we usually production first and then publishing first. Many people had read Thomas Cromwell's Otto and been really excited about it. So